is you're studying a surah, but you also have to figure out what neighborhood does it belong to? Which group does it belong to? Which other surah complements it? And what group of surahs came before? And how is the conversation proceeding? In every book, many of you are university students or university graduated. In any book, in any subject, there is a logic to the sequence. Right? There's a logic. If you can't understand what the logic is to the sequence, you can't understand the book. You can't make sense of it. But a lot of times in our study of the Quran, we think that this order of the Quran is just something that the Muslims decided to agree on, but this is actually not the real order of the Quran as intended by Allah. I strongly disagree with that philosophy. I believe Allah Himself said, "Kitabun uhkimat ayatuhu," a book in which its ayat were stitched together. Stitched together. When you stitch something, every stitch is perfectly placed or no? Every stitch is exactly where it's supposed to be. And the fact that even Allah called it kitab. Kitab doesn't mean speech. Kitab means what? Book. And book is not a Word document. A book is not a Google Doc. A book, back in the day, is something that was carved or scratched. When you carve something or write something or scratch something, can you change the order anymore? No. So if Allah is calling the entire Quran a kitab, this actually, among many other evidences, the book was intended to be in this order from Allah. From Allah. Just like when you say Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim, Maliki Yawmiddin, there's an order, right? And you cannot change that order. You cannot say Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim first, Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen second. You can't do that. There's a set order. The same way there's an order within the ayat of the Quran, there's an order to the entire Quran. And when you observe that order, you learn a lot.